Good morning, dear students. How are you? I am Rosie Sultana from Aramghata Secondary School, Dalatpur, Khulna. Dear students, here is a sentence for you. He is a student, isn't he? What is this? Try to guess it. This is a question tag. So dear learners, our today's class is on tag questions, English second paper. You are the sun, and here we use tag question, aren't you? Tag means adding something with other. Here, aren't is adding here. A tag question is a question that is used at the end of a statement to get the support from the listener. So dear learners, pause this video and write down these operators. Here are some verbs. This called the operators of tag questions. Write these operators. And now again pause this video and write down this contraction form of these operators. It's very essential for making tag questions. Mahabuba was our good friend, wasn't she? How to form a tag question. Here is the structure of positive statement. Hassan is a truthful boy. Here we use isn't he. Now the structure is a statement plus operator plus not, and here we use the contraction form plus subject plus interrogative mark, and here the structure in negative statement. She is not my mother, is she? The structure is a statement plus operator plus subject, and it must be pronoun. Noun is not used in the subject of tag question. And next, interrogative mark. Now here is a sentence for you. Talib is a smart boy. What will be the tag question here? Isn't he? Now I will give you 10 sentences. Please pause this video and write down these 10 sentences and try to do it by yourself. And next, correct the answer. How will you add tag if there is no operator in the sentence? My mother cooks very well. Here there is no operators in this sentence. There is action verb. So here we use doesn't she. We play football regularly, don't we? He went to market yesterday, didn't he? Here is the notes for you. If there is verb be on with s or es, add tag with doesn't or does. Another one is if you find be on without s or es, add tag with don't or do. If you find but to or past form, add tag with didn't or did as operator. Every mother loves her child. Here is some exceptional tag questions. It will be don't they? Nobody believes a liar, do they? Now follow these exceptions. If you find yes or yes after everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, somebody, someone, on, none, the above rules will not be effective. In that place you have to add don't they or do they. Everybody respects him, don't they? Nobody likes a man of bad temper, do they? If the sentence is affirmative, here we use the negative tag question, and if the sentence is negative, here we use affirmative tag question. But notice carefully, here are some negative words: never, rarely, seldom, hardly, barely, and scarcely. Follow this. Here are more exception. I have a few money. Here a few affirmative, so it takes negative tag question, and I have few money. Here few negative, so it takes affirmative tag question. There is a little water in the jar, isn't there? But there is a little water in the jar, is there? And another tag questions: I need your help. Here we use don't I. She needs a pen, doesn't she? But if you need not worry, the tag question will be need you, because here the need is modal auxiliary. Here the here need is action verb, but here the need modal verb. Here another example for you: if I had any scope, I would visit London. The tag question will be wouldn't I, because here the contraction form is would, because this verb is V1 and here this verb is V3, so this contraction form is had. This is the subordinate clause and this principal clause, so the tag question will be wouldn't. Now let us have a look. The tag question in imperative sentence, it's very easy. Will use here only will you, but here is exception: all or will you. Exception on place: if here we use us, here in the tag question we use shall we. And here are some examples for you. Please pause this video and write down all this sentence. Now I will do a homework. Please pause this video and write down this and try to do it by yourself. Okay, see you again, dear learners.